Hey guys, welcome to Practical Home Projects. So today we're going to be troubleshooting and hopefully fixing a toilet that doesn't flush properly.
So you'll notice that this lever is not firmly attached because we're missing the nut right there, and what that can do is it could cause it to come out, it could cause it to get jammed. So we could just replace this nut, but I found it easier just to buy a whole new kit, so we're going to go ahead and replace this whole lever contraption with the kit. So we have a side mount flush, so the easiest way to go about it is just to get a flexible type of lever arm that works, either at a side or an angle, and then of course it's got multiple holes so that we can attach the lip chain wherever we need it to. So I think we're going to have roughly a medium length chain, so then we'll just snip off the excess. So we'll start by removing this chain, and then normally you would remove that nut, but since it's already missing, we'll just take this off. So for installation of the next one, all we do is the reverse of that, and then make a note that this nut is reverse threaded, so righty-loosey. Let's get that loose, and then I'll just slide it off. So for our particular lever, I'm going to have it right about there so that we can flush. However, you'll notice that we need to put a pretty serious bend into this. Our kit says to bend it at this region, and to bend it nice and slowly so that we don't break it. So best of luck to me. As you're bending, don't forget to go nice and slow. If you bend it too fast, you might break it. Also, don't use any metal tools like pliers for the same reason. If you need some more leverage, I found that using the countertop edge helps a little bit to give it better grip. My goal with adjusting this lever arm is to make sure that it's not rubbing against the sides of the tank, and then ideally it would be pretty much just above that drain stopper so the chain is straight up and down, and then when you pull the lever up, it opens up nice and easily. So now we've got it bent just a little bit wider than 90 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead and fish it in there and see how it sets up. So that's about where that's going to line up, and that looks like pretty good alignment for me. So I'm going to go ahead and put this nut on there just loosely. And then once again it's threaded backwards. And then I'll grab the chain. And actually, since we've got that curve in it, I'm probably going to line it up with about this furthest over hole. So there we are with it just loose.
So that was a pretty quick project. You definitely don't need to call a plumber the next time your lever is not working. If you go and get a replacement that's solid metal, you should be able to switch that out in maybe 5 or 10 minutes. If you are going to get the bendable one like the one we got, maybe budget another 10 minutes to be able to bend that. But all in all, a very quick project, costs less than 10 bucks, and that's pretty much it. So if you guys like what you saw, we'd appreciate it if we get a like and a subscribe. If you have any comments or you have any suggestions, please put that in the comment section below. Thanks guys.